What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I guess I should address why I've been gone MIA for about a month. Basically, I've tried to film like 5 videos. Guys, it just wasn't working out for me. I wasn't feeling it. But this video I'm so excited to film because I got in the Too Faced Pretty Rich collection. And I absolutely love reviewing collections so that you guys know what you should spend your hard-earned money on. And so you know what works, what doesn't, what's cute, what's not, if it's worth it at all. So I'm so excited to share this collection with you guys. I got this big old box here, so I'm gonna start pulling some stuff out of there and trying it on my face. So this is a try on review / first impressions, so bear with me. It might be kind of a long video, but I promise you it'll be worth it if you have been interested in this collection. So let's get started. So something that came inside of this package was actually the Too Faced Glow Job. I think this is a peel off mask. So let's open it up. First of all, that name is hilarious. Like, I have kind of dark, dry humor, so I'm like really into the name. I think it's hilarious. Like, great choice, guys. Great choice. So I'm just gonna have you guys see it because I don't actually think that the Glow Job is part of the collection because they already have these. This is the Disco Glow color, by the way. So, all right, so let's pop this little baby open. Ooh, very stretchy. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It is absolutely stunning. Oh my God. I kind of wish that I would have started off with this, but maybe for another video or something like that. This isn't a skincare video. And like I said, I don't think this is part of the collection, so we're gonna move along. So I'm actually just gonna jump to when I have my foundation and my concealer on because whatever is in this package is actually just eye and highlighter. So I'm gonna have to skip that just so this video isn't literally 10 years long. So let's just skip to that right now. All right, so I have my foundation on. I do not have concealer on just yet because the next thing I'm going to show you is the eyeshadow palette that comes in this collection. And I don't know if it has a lot of fallout or not. So I don't want to apply concealer and then have a shit ton of fallout and it just like ruin everything. So let's avoid that. All right, so this is the Pretty Rich Diamond Light Eyeshadow Palette. It comes in this packaging when you buy it. So on the back, it actually has all of the shades with their names, and it has a little saying here. It just says, "This captivating collection of 16 ultra luxe shades of vivid glitters, creamy mattes, opulent shimmers, and precious pearls can be layered in an infinite amount of ways to mimic the multifaceted beauty of a real diamond." So it does have 4 pressed gel glitter eyeshadows. So we're definitely gonna try those out today because that's pretty interesting. It does say Too Faced tip, prime lids with Too Faced glitter glue. I do not have that. For best results, use your finger when applying the glitter gel formula. All right, so let's open this up. So this is the packaging it comes in. It feels like kind of like leather. So you just kind of open it from down here. I thought that this little thing was like a button to open it, but it's not. You just kind of pop it open, and this is the palette. It is stunning. It is cool toned, which is interesting because I don't really see a lot of cool toned packaging. I mean, eyeshadow palettes, but this one's a really beautiful one because I actually don't really enjoy cool toned eyeshadows, but this one's like poppin', okay guys? Beautiful. So those were the swatches of all of the eyeshadows and glitters in this palette. As you can see, they are stunning. They're creamy, they are pigmented, and I'm so excited to use these. So let's get into the tutorial portion of this. So this is how the eyes turned out. I actually really, really love this palette. I think the pigmentation is great. I think the type of shadows that are in it are amazing. You don't see very many palettes that have that gel glitter formula, and they just came off stunning. It didn't come off chunky. Everything came on really, really smooth. The palette is $49. Do I think it's worth it? Yes, I definitely give it a thumbs up. Definitely worth it for me. The palette, I think, comes out today, which is $11.29. So whenever you're watching this, the palette would have already come out already. So I definitely think this is one for the Pretty Rich collection that is definitely worth it. So the next thing that is part of this collection that would also go on my eyes is actually the Better Than Sex. There you go. The Better Than Sex and Diamonds mascara. So this is the regular mascara. It is not the waterproof. It is limited edition because it comes like this. Look how beautiful, guys. This is stunning packaging. It feels really heavy. I feel like the component is actually made out of metal, whereas I have the original kind, which, I mean, I guess they both kind of weigh the same. This one actually weighs a little bit less, surprisingly. But it is stunning. Like, it's so beautiful with all those little rhinestones around it. Like, it's something really cool to get someone for Christmas, I think. So I'm not going to open this one just because I already have a Better Than Sex mascara open. So there would be no point in opening this one and getting air into it. They work the same. They're the same exact formula. The only difference is the packaging. And I do like this mascara. Is it one of my favorites? No. Just so you guys know, actually, since I didn't say the price before, this mascara with the limited edition component is actually $24. So I am just gonna apply the regular one. Like I said, not my favorite mascara in the world. I know a lot of people love it, but it's not my favorite. It does give you a lot of volume, which is great. So let me just apply this. Alright guys, so I just went off camera for a second to apply the rest of my makeup that is not found inside of this box. So all I did was apply some false lashes, some lower lash mascara, blush, bronzer, and now we're gonna move on to highlighter, which I am probably the most excited about in this collection. So to start off with, it comes with one highlighting brush, which this brush is actually gorgeous. I'm gonna put the price up here because I don't know it by heart. So this is it outside of the box. It does have a translucent handle, which is stunning. At the end of it, it does have a little point, so it kind of does look like a little bit of a diamond. And the bristles are pink and synthetic. So not only does it come with this beautiful highlighting brush, but it comes with three diamond light highlighters. These are heartbreakingly stunning. So I'm going to show you all of the swatches on my arm, but I will open up each and every single one of them just so you know what they look like, because they are literally dazzling. Like, when I opened it up for the first time, I was mesmerized. Like, I think I sat there hypnotized for like a good 2 minutes. So those were the swatches that you just saw. This is the packaging. It is stunning. It looks like the box that every girl waits for, you know, that engagement ring box. So you pop it open like this. The box on the inside is what I'm talking about, that literally looks like a little diamond ring box. So it does come with this little fake button again, which I have no idea what the purpose of it is, because it doesn't, you can't push it. I don't know what it is. No idea. But when you open it, look at that. It is stunning. It is so beautiful and reflective. I wish my camera could pick up how stunning this is up close. Like, it's beautiful. But one downside of this packaging is that it is quite large. So if you have very little makeup storage, it's gonna be kind of hard to fit this big old bulky thing somewhere. And this is just one highlighter. So this shade was a Fancy Pink Diamond. Now I'm gonna show you one of the other ones. I think I'm gonna show you this one, which I don't know the name. Oh, Canary Diamond. It comes in the yellow box. So let's open it up. Here is the yellow box inside. By the way, it does say it's your time to shine inside of every single box. So you take it out. Opening it up, this one, guys. Oh, this one shows up on camera, stunning. So I just brought it a little bit closer to you guys so you guys could see how beautiful the shift of this one is. And the last one of the collection is Diamond Fire, which has already existed beforehand. So a lot of you either may have it or may have seen it before. And this one is, oh my God. Let me just open it for you. I hope it doesn't just look white on camera. Look at that. Oh my God, it is so pretty. So unfortunately on camera, it is not picking up all of the colors that are inside. Maybe right there you could actually get a little bit of it, but it looks like an oil slick in there. It has blue, pink, purple, green. It is so beautiful. Like, I don't know how they do something this stunning. Like, I could look at this one all day. That's how beautiful it is. So these highlighters are $34. Now that is a little bit pricey when there is a lot of drugstore options that are much, much cheaper than this. But I think that if you want something pretty for your collection or something that you want to put on your vanity, and if you really like these kind of different colored highlighters, then this may be something that you should be really interested in, because I would probably be interested in at least picking up the Canary Diamond one. This one is so beautiful. I don't know how much use you would get out of it because, like I said, they are kind of odd colors, but they are stunning. So just so you guys could see what both of them look like, I am going to use Canary Diamond on my right cheek, and I'm going to use Fancy Pink Diamond on my left cheek, just so we could see what both of them look like. And I am going to be using the brand new brush. This brush is literally so cute. So as you guys saw, those highlighters were beautiful. They came out on the skin really, really nice. They don't cling onto any dry patches that you may have. I've been having a lot of dry skin lately, and I do think that it went on really smoothly over my skin. And I will say that these guys aren't the kind of highlighters that are gonna shine all the way to Mars. So you're not gonna be shining bright like a diamond, which would make sense since it's a diamond, but you're not. It's a really nice subtle highlight, which I actually really appreciate because I have so much blinding highlights that I don't really have that many that are just subtle and pretty to go out every single day with. And surprisingly, I will say that the Fancy Pink Diamond one was a lot more wearable, or is a lot more wearable to me, at least, than the Canary Diamond one. The Canary Diamond one is a little pink, like the shift is more pink than anything. And this side, the shift is a little bit leaning towards the champagne side. So I kind of prefer this one. All right, guys, and last but not least in this collection is the High Shine and Sparkling Lip Gloss. I think they're called the Rich and Dazzling lip glosses. I'll put the price up here and the date when they're gonna be released, because I'm not sure if they're released just yet. But they came out with 6 different ones. I will show you the swatches right now. So I'm pretty sure the one that you guys all want to see is the one that is gold in comparison to all the pink ones. This one is gold because it was in collaboration with Jordyn Woods, which is Kylie Jenner's best friend. She's so beautiful, so pretty. So let's try this one on. Now keep in mind that these are glittery lip glosses. So maybe for some of you, that is the kind of look that you're going for. It is not really the look that I go for every single day. I kind of just like a simple clear gloss or a nude gloss. But these have a color plus a little bit of shimmers and glitters in there. So this one's actually really beautiful. It's a pink. It's a pinky peach gloss that has golden and purple, green, yellowish kind of reflex in it. So it is really beautiful, along with the packaging, which is also stunning. This packaging is so cute. So I'm just going to open it up and smell it. What does this smell? It kind of smells like a minty vanilla cookie. It's the same kind of smell that a lot of lip glosses have, to be honest with you. It's not very different or weird. So let's apply. I don't have anything on my lips right now, so you may see some color come off. You may not. You may just see some shininess. Okay, so that's actually such a pretty lip gloss. I'm not gonna lie, I had pretty low expectations for that lip gloss just because it's really glittery and I'm not super into that, but it's really pretty. It's like kind of sheer and all you really see is like the shifting glitter particles that are in the gloss. So I really like it. I'm impressed, Jordan. I'm impressed. All right, guys, so that was the last bit of this collection. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the little bell notification, wherever that is in this box. Press it so you see all of my other videos that are gonna come out. I promise, no, pinky promise, not that. Pinky promise that I will definitely be coming out with more videos that are a little bit more consistent because I have been a bad YouTuber. I've been a really good Instagrammer, so check out my Instagram at Highonlifestyle with 2 E's at the end, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.